Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a really fun mystery box for you guys, and this one is going to be a Charlotte Tilbury Mystery Box. I am beyond excited to see what is in here. This was really pricey and it sold out super fast. I was honestly kind of shocked since it was so expensive. So this retails for $194. I think I was charged like $206 with tax and everything. So this was really pricey. It's definitely one of the more expensive mystery boxes I've ever bought, and I'm kind of surprised at myself. It was like a weak moment. I was just in a buying mood and I was like, what the heck, I'm gonna get this. She sneak peeked two of the products that were gonna be in here. Let me actually pull it up. So the sneak peeks were the Wonder Glow, which is kind of like this glowy primer that you can use, and the Legendary Lashes Volume 2 mascara. So I've been wanting to try the Wonder Glow. I had a few requests from you guys to try it as well, so that kind of enticed me to buy it since I knew what two of the products already were. It's supposed to have a $388 value, so you're supposed to get almost double what you paid, which I was like, okay, cool. And then it says it comes with 9 full-size Secret Beauty icons, so we already know 2. So I'm super curious to see what the other ones are. I can guess that they're gonna have Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream Moisturizer in here because they always put that in. We'll see though. Maybe it'll be some of the best sellers, but oftentimes with mystery boxes I know they do include like stuff that's not selling well. I know I've bought one of these before and it was worth it. I bought a summer one last year that was $75, so it definitely was not this expensive, but I mean, some of the products I just felt like I wasn't going to use, so I'm hoping that this one's better. Oh, I should show you guys, I did get some samples too. They had a bunch of free gifts with purchase, which I thought was really nice. So these were free with my order. I got a little mini hot lips from her. Which one is this one? Viva La Vergara. I love the hot lips too lipsticks. So this is the mini size, and it comes with the packaging and everything, and that is what it looks like. So I feel like that alone is probably worth at least 10 bucks. This is another hot lips in Glowing Gen, which I do have this one. And then I got this product, which is the Pillow Talk Diamonds. I'm pretty sure I have this. It says Lucky Diamonds though. I think this is a full-size lipstick too. I'm not going to swatch that because I feel like I have this somewhere in my collection, but yeah, those were just free gifts with purchase, so that was also a pretty good deal. Now let's see what's in this box here. Okay, so we'll start off. We do have the Wonder Glow from her. This is the Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flash Primer. Okay, so here is what we are looking like, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this too. So this is actually not too bad. I was wondering how shiny it was going to be. If you guys look right over here, don't look over there. It does give just a slight shine to the skin, but almost feels like a gel. It's not too heavy. So I think I'm actually going to like this. Just for a subtle glow. I do have oily skin, so I don't like anything that's too over the top. So I'm actually pretty excited to try that. So that product retails for $55 full size. We also have another glow product here. This is the Hollywood Beauty Glow, and it says Charlotte's award-winning Beauty Light Wand and Wonder Glow Primer. I think I have this. Let me check. Yeah, I do have this already. This is actually one of my favorite highlighters. I just never really look at the name. I just call it a liquid highlight from them. But yeah, it's called the Beauty Light Wand in Spotlight. This is such a stunning, vibrant highlighter. I actually got this in the mystery box last time. So they did include a duplicate, but it has this little poof ball thing, and then you just put the product on that way. But this is beautiful. This is what it looks like on the skin. It's absolutely stunning. I do own, I guess, quite a bit of Charlotte Tilbury, so it's probably expected that I will get a duplicate, but it is kind of disappointing since I did include that in a previous box. Oh wait, there's something else in here. I just noticed at the bottom of this package it actually had a little mini size of the Wonder Glow as well. So I guess we kind of got like a lot of the Wonder Glow, it looks like. I'm pretty sure though that they sell this by itself too, not just in this set, because I don't think I've had that before. Next I got a lip product. This is the Hollywood Lips Matte Contour Liquid Lipstick. This one is in the shade, I guess, Hollywood Lips maybe? Instant Glamour in a Tube. Oh my gosh, the shade is actually Dolly Bird, and this is a really pretty color. I have not tried this liquid lipstick from her either, and it's like this velvety, just plush, beautiful formula. It smells like vanilla. So stunning. I'm really excited about this, that she included such a wearable shade. We also got here, this is a Color Chameleon Color Morphing Eyeshadow Pencil. I have not tried these from her line either. So let's see what color we got. Amber Haze, which looks like this, just a eyeshadow pencil. This is a gorgeous wearable shade as well. It's like a bronze. I'm impressed, you guys. This is turning out to be a pretty good box. Honestly, these are like really wearable products and like best-selling shades. I even see a Hot Lips in here, my favorite. Charlotte Tilbury names her lipsticks after like famous females. I love that. And I love the Hot Lips 2 formula. I have a couple of them in my collection. I have those little samples now, and I've been wanting this shade. This is the shade Angel Alessandra. It's another neutral. Oh, this is stunning. This is a peachy pink tone shade. Really gorgeous. They also included an Eyes to Mesmerize, which is really exciting. I have one of these, and I honestly haven't really used it. I don't really reach for these potted eyeshadows, but I need to do better at that. So let's see what shade that we got. Ooh, we got Star Gold. I think I have the Marie Antoinette shade. So these are a cream shadow, and everyone always raves about these. Absolutely beautiful. I think I'm saying that about everything, but I'm really impressed by this box so far. These are like really good shades. You guys already know it was coming with this, the Legendary Lashes Volume 2. I have not tried their mascara before. It has this cute little winky eyes on it. You guys, I'm so happy about this. We got the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze in Glow. I had to declutter mine because it was so old, but this was my favorite bronzer. I just never repurchased it. I ended up buying the airbrush bronzer that came out like a couple months back, but I've been wanting to have this in my life again, so I'm so excited that she included it in here. This is such a good, it's a contour and highlight palette technically, and it's such a pretty bronzer. If you guys have lighter skin tones, medium skin tones, can use this as well. I have to swatch for you. I'm so excited about this. I have to compare it to my bronzer too. I think this is lighter though than my airbrush bronzer, but this is seriously the perfect contour if you guys have fair light skin tones. So beautiful. Then I'll swatch the highlight. The highlight's not bad, but it's just not something I reach for. I might reach for it now because back then I used to be into really super bam beaming highlights, and now I like more subtle. So it is definitely a subtle highlight. It's more of a matte finish though. It doesn't really have a ton of shine to it, but it will highlight the skin. So yay, I cannot believe that is in here. I think this is like the first mystery box of hers I've seen have this product. And it even has a Cheek to Chic blusher, which is also one of their very best selling products. I have two of these, so hopefully we got one that I don't have. Ecstasy. I don't think I have this. This is a really pretty neutral shade. I can't believe this box. This is crazy. So this is a really pretty peachy pink matte. Probably good for fair light skin tones again. So this box probably wouldn't be amazing for, I would say, a deeper skin tone. It's too bad they can't do like a fair light option or medium deep option. That would have been better. So that is everything I got in this little mystery box, and wow, I'm like so impressed. I know it was pretty pricey, but I do feel like I really got my money's worth. I'm gonna total everything up here so I can show you guys and see if it was exactly like it said it would be or if it was more, but I'm honestly shocked that they included like their best selling products, because the other mystery bag I had from Charlotte Tilbury, it was all like stuff that no one wanted basically, and ones I've seen like spoilers of from previous boxes, they weren't very good. So I know that they've come out with so many new things now, so I think that's kind of why now they're starting to throw in more of these popular items, but this was definitely a good one. Like if they restock this box, I hope they do. That would be amazing. They probably won't. They'll probably have different variations, but this would be such a good one for someone who's getting into Charlotte Tilbury. And even me, I have a ton of products from her line. I only had one repeat, which is crazy. So yeah, I'm really impressed. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm really happy that I picked this up. I was nervous, but I probably won't be getting any more mystery boxes from her just because I do have so much, and I think like I have to end it on this good one. I don't want to get any bad ones in the future. She does these from time to time. I think she usually does a summer one, and then she does, I think she's done them for Black Friday as well, so that might be the next one, but they're kind of random. You have to like follow them on social media I think she posted it on her stories, and they were sold out really fast. So that's gonna be it for this unboxing. Let me know down below what you guys thought of this box, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.